guys, welcome back to my channel. So I've got a super quick how-to hair video today. It's just a really quick ponytail with some curls hanging on the side and a little cute hairband, headscarf, and a really cute hair scarf. So I know that when it comes to wigs, it's really hard to like style your wigs. I know with me, I tend to just like wear my hair down straight or wear the wig down curly, and when it comes to like putting your wig up, it's quite hard to get it look natural and etc. So I hope this video helps. It's super easy, anyone can do it at home. You don't need much. You need hair straighteners, blow dryer, a blow dryer and hair gel, and that's it. So you guys, I always wear the this hair net wig cap thing just to really keep my hair underneath neatly. And what I like to do is I just like to part. I might come closer to the camera so you guys can see properly. I think that's perfect. Okay, so I like to part my center, and I use a hair gel, so you can use any hair gel that you'd like. I just use whatever hair gel that I can find, and I just apply the hair gel a little tiny bit on my edges. Just really apply some hair gel. So by doing this, I'll just keep the hair neat underneath, and it'll give the illusion of a as if the closure is coming from your scalp when really it's not. Should have like a mirror. Okay, and once I do that, I just get the net and place on top of the gel so that it sets it, and I leave it there for a few minutes. Literally guys, less than 5 minutes. You can leave it there for, less than 3 minutes. And then what we'll do is we'll just like slip this back just a tiny little bit. Get all the hair underneath. The trick is not to leave any hair on coming out of the cap. You want to get all the hair underneath the cap. Okay, can you guys see how neat the edges looks? Okay, and then what I do is I grab my hair, which is a wig, and it looks like this. It's a closure, and I put it on. And what I do is I make sure the center, the parting of the closure here aligns with my natural parting. So just bring it as close to that and just adjust it so that it sits properly on your head. So yeah, just use a tiny little bit of concealer just to conceal the closure a tiny bit. I don't like to apply, before I would apply loads of concealer, but now I don't like to apply too much concealer because I feel like it makes it look more unnatural than natural. So just apply a tiny little bit of concealer like that. Hope you guys can see that. And see if you apply any hair serums to your hair to make it shiny. At this point you would do that, but my hair is already prepped from before. I just don't want to, so I'm not going to apply anything. I'm just gonna go straight into doing this, styling it how I want it to be. So I'm just gonna use the hair dryer and a little round brush. And what I like to do is I like to blow dry the front of my hair, because I feel like it makes, once you do that, it makes the hair go up, so it looks like it's coming from the roots, like a little trick that I've learned. So I just like to really blow dry the root, really bring it up. Just leave it to sit there, and when you do this as well, it gives the hair like a really nice flick, which I love. And just do this. So can you see the flick, guys? I love this flick. The only thing I need to know what to do is how to maintain the flick. I feel like whenever I do that, after a few minutes, it just goes flat again. So I did the other side as well. Okay, leave it for a few minutes and then take it out, and there you go, the flick again. Okay, so for this hairstyle, all we need is a little tiny black hairband and one of this little pretty cute scarf. Okay, let's start. So I'm gonna take all the hair back. Brush it nicely. I'm gonna pick it up into a cute little, I'm gonna turn around so that you guys can see what I'm doing. Cute little ponytail. We don't want a lot of it out. We just want a small amount out of the ponytail. I'm just gonna again brush everything into place. Okay, so turn around for you guys to see. Okay, so we're gonna just tie the hair in the hairband, and then we're gonna pull it. So that's like that. The hairband, and like tie a knot at the top and leave this one just hanging there, and then having this one here. These hairbands are so cute. Not hairband, these little hair scarves, they're so cute and so cheap. I'll put a link down below where I got them from, and you can literally order loads of different colors to match all your outfits that you have. Okay, so with the hair that I left behind, I'm just going to get the hair straightener. This is the Remington. I've been using Remington hair straighteners for such a long time, you guys. I love the Remington range. I feel like it lasted so long. My first ever Remington hair straighteners that I had lasted me 5 years. And when it broke, I was like, okay, I need to buy a new one. So I knew for sure that it would have been a Remington straighteners. It's because of how this curl it up. There you go. Okay, so I'm just going to turn around so you guys can see how hairstyle looks like. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos. So thank you again for watching, and I'll see you on my next one.